I added foil to my fabric bracelet. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and today I'm making a fabric wrapped bracelet, which is, people do this all the time, but I decided to add some glam to it. I made a stencil of these Adinkra symbols a while ago, and I put this foil on the African print fabric. And I was going to offer these stencils for sale, but it's hard to get all the little pieces out, so I just decided I'll use it for myself. I have a bracelet that I'm going to cover with my fabric, and I'm just going to wrap this little piece of fabric around it that has the symbols on it. I really like how this turned out after I put the foil on it, but then I said, gosh, what can I do with it? And I finally decided to use it on this bracelet, but I've just had it laying around for a while looking at it and trying to figure out how I wanted to use it. Can you give me some suggestions on what I could do with this? I thought about using it on cards because I do have some scrap fabric cards that I make, but that's all I could come up with. Give me some help. Now I'm cutting an inch and a half of wide piece of my fabric, and I'm going to just turn the edge under with my hand as I go. I sometimes I might take a glue stick and turn it under, or you could just iron it under. But I just prefer to fold it as I go. So I'm going to put some tacky glue inside the bracelet so that I could attach the fabric and just wrap it. I pull the fabric tight as I wrap it so it won't be loose. To finish it, I cut my fabric to about a ½ inch, and then I apply some more tacky glue to seal it. Now I'm just going to put my strip right around the middle of the bracelet. I'm going to use tacky glue to attach it. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also are the creators of the Hobby to Hustle community on the school platform. We invite you to join us and look around. We have a Hobby to Hustle course where we teach you what you need to do to make money. I'm going to use some watercolor paper to make a little pair of earrings to match my bracelet. I'm just going to use some glue, a glue stick, to attach my fabric to the watercolor paper. And then I'm going to put one of the Adinkra symbols on the earrings. It's going to be the comb. The comb stands for beauty. This glue goes on purple, but it dries clear. Here she is. Let me know what you think. I'm glad I finally figured out something to do with my Adinkra symbols. All right, good people. This is Sherry. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, a comment, subscribe if you haven't. All right, good people. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.